Hey everyone, how are we doing today? Personally, doing pretty good. I feel like I needed a bit of rest after yesterday. Hey, what's going on here? Call slug. Hmm. Yeah, so just checking in after our last. Oh, not sure what's going on here. Yeah, it's okay. PM and so we're trying to implement this right here, this design right here, and so far we've gotten to this. Um, so it's still quite a ways to go by the looks of it. There's still quite a ways to go. I'm missing the list of therapists and then the design here, as well as this little uh, scratch text over here, the script, pointing to the primary call to action. So I'll go ahead and do that now. And let me see, is there anything else? No, I think it looks pretty similar. The text does seem a bit larger on the Figma image, but other than that, I mean, we're pretty close here. We're pretty close. All right, so let's do a list of therapists now. Um, I'm going to open up this to the side. So just have this open over here to the side. Here we'll get rid of the file explorer. And we should be able to, yeah, let's hide this too. I don't think we're gonna need AI for this, so I'll toggle that. Change this to a dark, dark bordered, by the way. Beautiful theme. Gorgeous. All right, so list of therapists. Let's go ahead and do that. Um, and actually, we can read from constants here. So we just read from the list of therapists that we have here. So import AIs from constants. And then here we just do AI.map. I guess here you could have slug. What was the other one? Slug and name? Yeah. So you can just set the keys as slug itself. And then here, what are you going to do? You're going to have the image. So image src is going to be equals none. Yeah, that seems about right. We're going to need an image for each one of them. I guess as a stopgap, I'm going to put a placeholder. Okay, so something like this. Like this 36 by 36. What's wrong with this? Oh, should I import image? All right, so you have the image. This is obviously going to be a flex, uh, gap x, let's say 2, and items center. We'll have the image div. This one will expand. give you the name, and then you're going to have an image at the very end. This is going to be the actual call button, and uh, we're not going to use a button, but this sort of button. And then here, maybe we'll um, next.config, images and next.config. How about that? Okay. All right. So here we're going to use our icon, but which icon? Yeah, phone. So we can just import phone icon phone. How do you have the hero icons package? No, but you have Lucid. Lucid. Yeah. Icon toolkit. Okay. Yeah. Let's use that. Okay. But I want filled. I guess phone. All right. Let's give that a refresh. So we should make this stretch. Align items stretch. Is that it? No. Justify center? Hmm. I keep mixing these up. I can never remember. Let's see. So justify content, that's going to affect their placement. What you want is align items center. This is for rows. So items center, that's what you want. That's going to center them for you. Okay. And then you want justify content, space evenly? No. There's a stretch option, is there? No. Line content stretch? No. Hmm. No. Uh, this should be overflow. Loading chunk unknown. What are you talking about? Okay, that's better. All right. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think you would need to like do a width full, maybe. Uh, Though I don't like using width full because I think it's often unnecessary. I mean, a div is already width full, right? Let's drop the items center. Okay, that wasn't it. You actually did want items center. But why is the flex not taking up the full width? That's my question. Why is it not taking up the full width? Is this why? No, that's not it. That's 100%. But it is a div, so yeah, what gives? I'm guessing. Okay, this is probably closer to what we're after. We can just give it like 24 RAM. I think that's 384 pixels. Yeah, no, it's too much. 16. Yeah, okay. And then yeah, just space it out. You know. So just make it like there's a divider. Divide uh, y, and then divide y. What is it? Stone 100. Yeah, 200, I guess. Gap x2, and then gap like y2 or something. See what that looks like. Yeah, and then give it a stroke and shadow. What was it called? Hard. And then so border and border stone like 200. All right. And the phone needs to be teal. And ideally filled, but I'm not really sure how you do that. I mean, yeah, it's got size, but how do you do fill? Fill. You can just do fill. So fill equals, okay, can we do that? Oh, sweet. What's with the border? So text needs to be to, 600 as well, right? Okay, cool. I don't know if that makes a difference. Looks like it does not. Looks good. So maybe do PY4. I'm just gonna give it a bit more space. PY3. And then the whole row should be clickable. So I would make this like a button and yeah, kind of messed up with that bit there. Uh, do like phone block. Why did it get messed up? Ah, text align. So this no longer needs to be a button. All right. So what do we need to do now? Let's see. Try it now. First call free. This text. What font is this? Angly. I think we have another. I don't know if we need to import that font or if we can just get it as an image and then add it in. I suspect it would just make more sense to group it and have it as in, just group that. Export that as an SVG. Can I get that as an SVG? No. Okay, you can. Cool. So, I would just add that as an image here. And then See what that looks like. All right. So top is not going to be 0. It could be like minus like 50 picks. And then give this to like 54 picks. Doesn't look very good. Like there's something off about how the shading is done. Um, and then right should be 0 maybe. Yeah, there's something off about the text. Why does it look like that? I guess you need to give it a fill. So fill stone. Yeah. Oh, fill is none here. So maybe you just need to give it the fill value. Oh, that just looks weirder now. Yeah, this isn't working. Maybe just make it a PNG. Much better.